How do pathogens spread? Communicable diseases are caused by pathogens which can transfer from one organism to another. Different diseases are spread in different ways depending on the pathogen which causes it. Pathogens can spread directly from person to person, or they can spread indirectly, such as from contaminated water, from tiny airborne particles, or from a vector. Direct contact. Some pathogens spread from person to person contact. There are some pathogens which can spread from shaking hands with an infected person, and others which spread from sexual contact during intercourse. Indirect contact. There are numerous ways pathogens can spread indirectly: eating contaminated food, through the air, airborne, touching contaminated objects, drinking contaminated water, from animal to person, from vectors, such as insect bites. Some diseases are spread through water. You could get a waterborne disease from drinking contaminated water. Airborne. Some pathogens can spread through the air. Infected particles enter the air when an infected person coughs, talks, sneezes, or breathes. These particles can travel through the air and be breathed in by another person who could now develop the disease. An organism that can spread a disease is called a vector. Vectors are often insects such as mosquitoes, ticks, and fleas. They spread diseases through bites. It is important to understand that pathogens cause the diseases, not the vectors. The vector carries the pathogens to a host. The pathogen then causes the disease in the host. Vectors spread diseases by biting and sucking the blood of infected individuals. These vectors are now carrying the disease causing pathogens. They will bite a new individual who will now be infected with the pathogens.